All right, so today let's start by taking a look at the economic calendar on forexfactory.com. And you can see clearly that today we have an underlying FOMC news release coming up around 8 p.m. GMT +1. Is that correct? Right here, we have the FOMC coming up by 8 p.m. GMT +1. This is relatively around, I think somewhere around 2 to 3 p.m. New York Standard Time. So it's around 8 p.m. GMT +1. Okay, and usually when you have a day like this, when you have price action, you have price anticipating an underlying FOMC news, it's going to be a very slow price delivery until the time for that news release. Remember, trading is time and price. From the last commentary we dropped, you would remember clearly that we were looking at the dollar trading bullish after it traded into the weekly bullish order block, just like we see here. You know, this is the daily time frame, but the dollar is reacting off a weekly bullish order block. I'm sure you guys remember this analysis, right? The bullish order block on the weekly, price traded into it, and we see price action, you know, creating a buy signature, especially after taking our last week's low. Price traded the bullish breaker on the daily time frame, and we see that the dollar had formed a swing low on the daily time frame. The dollar has formed a swing low on the daily time frame right here. Okay, that swing low is a reversal pattern that tells us that price action is most likely going to start buying. Then on the 1 hour, I mentioned that we would patiently wait until we see a shift of market structure bullish. Then we look for buy signature to buy the dollar and sell foreign currency. Okay, to buy the dollar and sell foreign currency.
No voice. Voice is breaking.
You are on mute.
Hello, sir. We can't hear you.
Oh, wow.
We can't hear you.
You are not hearing me all the while?
Yeah.
Yes, you are muted.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can't hear you all the
Sir,
while.
you had a bad network.
I was thinking you were hearing me. No problem. Let me
No.
know, sir.
Oh, no. Your screen was not showing before also.
So I was saying that take a look at this. You would see that we have an FOMC news event on the line coming up today, Wednesday, 29 January 2025, around 8 p.m. GMT +1. Just check your Forex Factory calendar, regardless of your location. You're going to see that an FOMC news event coming up later today. Now, in a day when you see this, it literally tells you that price action is going to be very slow throughout the day until the time for the FOMC news, because remember, trading is about time before price. The time has to be right before price, okay? Then we go to the dollar, and on the dollar index, we are looking for directional buyers, and we are supposed to trade in the direction of the higher time frame buyers. Then we refine to the lower time frame for entry. Remember that the dollar has been bullish. Price action created an expansion higher, traded down into the bullish order block on the weekly time frame with the confluence of the fair value gap right there. And you can see that price took out last week's low. This is a very good time to buy the dollar because we were below the last week's low. This served as, liquidity taking or sweep of liquidity. Then on the daily time frame, we're looking at market structure. Market structure has been bullish. Price action retreated into the discount bullish breaker. When you pick up your Fibonacci and measure between the low to the high, you can see we traded below 50% of that range, and specifically at the breaker block, confluence or with the fair value gap as well, price traded into that level on the daily time frame, and we formed a swing low, 3 candle price action. You see that swing low is a strong, bullish reversal pattern. It's trying to tell us that we're reversing to start buying. We were selling before. Now we have a swing low, the 3 candle with the middle candle having the lowest low. The magic about swing lows and swing highs is when they form at a specific point of interest. Remember, this is at the bullish order block on the weekly. This is at the bullish breaker on the daily, and also after
off your camera, please.
And after reacting off the bullish order block right here, you see that sell candle that was engulfed, price traded into it here, confluences with the breaker, the order block, the weekly bullish order block as well. Then we have a swing low, that's a bullish bias. All right, so where are we looking at price action trading into to continue the buy trend? So we would like to see the dollar trade up into the drawn liquidity right there. You see that? That's the drawn liquidity for the dollar. So on the 1 hour, I mentioned during our session, during the week, I'm sure, I did mention either on my live session or something that we're going to see the dollar create shift of market structure bullish on the 1 hour. Then we will look for the buy setup. Okay. This gap was the Monday new day opening gap, and we saw the gap coming up after the shift of market structure bullish. Now, this is a very technical situation, especially because you have an underlying high impact news event, the FOMC news event coming up today, and you can see that the dollar is not posing any significant, momentum to buy this guy, even though we are bullish right now. We are trading above the bullish breaker. You see that? This guy is not showing a serious momentum to continue higher because of the underlying news events coming up later. So two things will most likely happen when the news is released later. We might see a spike, price action spiking into the Monday new day opening gap, price action spiking in there and going higher. All right, they are going to do what we call a seek and destroy pattern, seeking out the sells and seeking out the buy side liquidity, residing above as well. All right, and you can see that clearly that the drawn liquidity is above the old high, especially because we also have the last week's Monday new day opening gap. You see the gap above the old high, that is drawn liquidity, and ultimately that old high. So this is what we should be anticipating on the dollar throughout today, going into the FOMC news. Until this is ready, nothing is ready yet. Until the FOMC, I would advise that you shouldn't really take a trade. Just wait and see what price action is going to do. Okay? Wait and see what price action is going to do.
So we can't hear you. We can't hear you anymore.
I think you can't hear me, rather.
We can hear you, sir.
Can hear you.
Your network challenge. So you can see gold. Gold is bullish as well, and we are looking at price action trading into the drawn liquidity above. The equal high is right there. So we would look for buy setups, and what we can see clearly gold did on the 1 hour time frame is gold took out sell side liquidity pool residing below that old low and traded into the bullish mitigation block by the left here. Price traded into it, created an expansion higher, again traded into the bullish order block and was buying. All right, so today we might see gold find support at the previous reclaimed bullish order block right here. This bullish order block that was violated. Now we are above that bullish order block. And price action is trading into it. So we might see gold react from that bullish order block, the reclaimed bullish order block. Previously violated bullish order block here. It's going to be reclaimed as gold trades into that level. We would like to see 5-minute confirmatory signature, then we buy into the draw liquidity there. Okay? This is what I'm looking at. Please, if you have a question, quickly unmute the mic, ask me the next 2 minutes, then we'll call it today.
Good afternoon, sir.
Go ahead, sir.
So you said gold, we have to reclaim this bullish order block. What about this institutional reference point that is still below price? Can see fair value gap, mitigation block, and also order block down here.
Right here.
Yes.
They are very valid, but I don't think if gold gets to this level, we are no longer going to buy. We'll sweep this, we will sweep the liquidity residing below the diagonal liquidity here. If it gets to this level. Okay? So I prefer to see gold react off the reclaimed order block here. The reclaimed bullish order block. There's a reason why this order block was left here. Was violated the first time. Initially, it was supposed to hold price action. You see that? Was violated massively. Correct? Then we traded above it. Let's see what happens once price trades into it. At the same time, you have a confluence of a fair value gap that was violated also right there. You can see it's going to serve as what's it called now? Resistance turn support. We've traded into the fair value right there, right at the reclaimed bullish order block. So watch out for the 5-minute confirmatory entry. I would rather like to buy from this point.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Great. Next person.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Chinyere. How are you doing?
Yes, I'm fine, sir. Please, sir. So, should we wait for the news to trade gold, like after the news,
Should you be trading
or it doesn't matter?
should you be trading around 8 p.m.? That's the question I'm going to ask.
8 p.m. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
the
I
news
thought the news is
8 p.m.
2:30.
It's by 8 p.m. So technically it's telling you that you're not trading within our specific time, or rather kill zone, the London and New York kill zone. You're not trading within that time zone.
Yes. Oh, okay. It's okay, sir.
Even throughout this week, there is news tomorrow, also interest rates, and next tomorrow also. Higher impact news on
The
dollar.
problem is that most of you are not hearing, because we've been saying these things in most of my commentary, even from last year. I mean, I've been emphasizing that there are 3 months you shouldn't expect so much from price action: August, December, January. Have I said these things again and again?
Yes.
Please come again. I didn't get you.
I said that there are 3 months you shouldn't expect too much in price delivery: the month of August, the month of December, of January. I have been saying again and again.
Good afternoon.
Yes.
Great. Next question.
Hello, sir.
I'm with you.
Yes, sir. Please, which of the, like, concerning all the strategies, like, which of the one that is specifically good for this day? Like, I just want to know which one someone can just follow specifically.
For what? I didn't get the question.
Strategies you've given so far, like the IO. Okay, I said concerning all the strategies you've given us so far, like the entry models you've given us so far.
Yeah.
I just want to know which of them can someone specifically hold on to?
The one that you easily understand. All of them works. The one that you easily, if your brain can't take everything, just take the one that you can easily identify. Stick with it. You get?
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you doing, Denver?
What? I'm good. What about you?
I'm doing all right.
Oh, I was asking the timing for New York kill zone.
The New York kill zone is 7 to 10 a.m. New York Standard Time. London is 2 to 5 a.m. New York Standard Time.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, Denver. Next question.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Hello, how are you, Aki?
Okay, well done. How are you?
I'm doing all right.
Sir, can we have a look at BTC?
Come again?
Can we have a look at BTC one time?
All right, BTC, you have it.
I'm expecting it to come low to 99. I don't know.
But you see that BTC is very bullish. BTC is very bullish. You see that? The monthly
Yes.
closing price created expansion traded into the fair value gap right here. And obviously, you can see that it's bullish, isn't it?
Okay.
On
Yes.
weekly time frame, BTC as well is bullish. Okay?
Daily.
On the weekly,
Yes.
what you are seeing, right? You are seeing this as double top, isn't it? You want it to go down.
I was expecting a retest to 99 again
99
on the daily or 4 hourly. A retest there.
is already, it has returned. Okay, let's check daily. On the daily, now market structure is clear. On the daily, price action took out liquidity below, created shifting market structure bullish right here. Price traded into the discount bullish breaker. All of this is the bullish breaker. You can see that, but specifically, if you take a look at the left, you would see because we don't have any fair value gap by the right here, you would notice that there's a tiny fair value gap by the left right here.
Yes.
Isn't it? Price action
Yes.
traded into that fair value gap, which is serving as resistance turn support. You see the precision in there. You see the reaction in there.
Yeah.
Go to the 1 hour and frame potential trade setups. So on the 1 hour, what do you see? Price also created another shift of market structure bullish, and traded into the discount IOFED as well. Fair value by the right, fair value by the left. You see this large range fair value, we measure 50% of that fair value gap as what? Consequent encroachment. Usually, we usually emphasize that when you have a large value gap, measure 50% as your entry model, especially if it's around the breaker, isn't it? The first entry was price action.
Yes.
After it created a failure swing here, and we had a shift of market structure bullish, price traded into the bullish mitigation block with the bullish other block right there. That's a buy. Notice the swing low that formed there. 3 candle price action with the middle candle having the lowest low. We bought, created another expansion, higher high, higher low into the fair value gap right there. Again, price action is showing willingness to continue higher. Okay, so you want it to retest 99. You want it to come to 99. This level, what exactly are you looking for at 99?
I was like looking at
You are looking
4 hours like rejection. We have like we have a bearish shift in 1 hour. Is it 1 hour 4 hours?
Except if you are looking at the rejection block
and some rejections. The rejections are there since yesterday.
Rejection block at the 4 hour. That's what you are looking at. Let's see. Okay, that makes sense because that's bullish order block on the 1 hour. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, it makes sense if that's what you're looking for.
Okay.
It's valid. It's
So what
valid.
do I do for now?
Wait.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Next person. Divine, you've been raising your hand.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, please, I want to buttress on gold. Can you go on gold, sir?
Well,
So,
good.
since all this while, I've been seeing, yeah, I can see, I've been seeing, okay. I've been seeing the way you do your analysis, sir. Most times I get very happy because sometimes I see you usually use this reclaimed order block. You call it reclaimed order block. This reclaimed order block, I have not been taught this reclaimed order block very well, but constantly I've been seeing you using this reclaimed order block. But my problem, definitely, I was waiting for price to come to that bullish mitigation block that was down there before you say that if price should get to that area, it's not going to work. So I'm not saying this reclaimed order block, is it powerful? Because price is not at discount, definitely. Price is not at discount. So why are we using the reclaimed order block? Is it
Sure.
very powerful?
You must
That is my
understand.
question, sir.
You must understand the narrative behind price action. Be much more than structure. Narrative. Narrative is more important. Why was it there in the first place? Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Understanding the narrative in price action is very important. I'm trying to get examples to show you something. Okay, take a look at this. Are you seeing this? Is this a bullish order block?
Yes, sir.
Everybody, I'm asking, is this a bullish order?
Yeah.
Right here. That's a bullish order
Yes,
block,
sir.
correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's a bullish order block. Yeah.
Did you notice price action violated that bullish order block here? We
Yes,
traded
sir.
a whole price action. But did you notice we came
Yeah.
back above it immediately? Now, notice what happened. Where did you see price action reacting from?
From that order block.
Very good. That is reclaimed bullish order block. Did you see how price action push it higher?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's keep looking. You're going to see many of those examples. So for me, it's about the narrative. It's not just about discount, premium. Again, this is gold. I would like to do this with gold. I may give consideration to others, but gold, I would like to do this with gold. Okay. Many examples.
Maybe there is no more example.
Maybe there's what? There are many examples you can see on gold with reclaimed order block.
And there's a way gold move. Gold doesn't most time respect it's all this. I have been monitoring gold for some while. It always uses all this IOFED institutional order flow entry drill patterns.
It depends.
Just
Just
retest and
do your studies very well, but it does. Okay, so again, some of you who are very conservative, you might as well just patiently be waiting for this guy. You are waiting for price action to trade into this, right? Isn't it? This is what you prefer to see.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's a
yes, sir.
bullish
All right, give it a try.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because I was already selling gold before you said that in I quickly went and closed my position with a little profit I had.
Now, I want you guys to look at something on the daily time frame. Did you see that bullish order block?
Yes.
This one, did you see
On
it?
daily?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Price action violated it, traded into fair value gap.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All of
Yeah,
it.
that's correct.
We traded above the same bullish order block here by the left.
Yeah.
Yes, that's correct.
That's reclaimed bullish order block. But you guys wanted to get here. If you get here, there's no buy for you, at least not today. We get here, there's no buy set up for you, at least not today. Look at the narrative. Price took out that bullish order block, traded below it, took liquidity below that, although traded into that fair value gap with an old high in between. Then all of a sudden, look at the reaction. This is two candle rejection theory. Price traded above instantly after trading into the fair value gap. Look at the rejection. The narrative is giving buy setup, not sell. Do you understand? Then look at the momentum of the buy candle.
Yes, sir.
Look at the momentum of the buy candle. Then next candle is reacting off the bullish order block that was previously violated, but now we are above the same bullish order block. And on the 1 hour, that very point is still confluencing with a 1 hour reclaimed bullish order block. I will give priority to this guy. If this guy gives me lower time frame confirmation, I'd rather buy this guy from here.
Okay, sir.
Sir, in
Yes,
other
sir.
words, can you hear me, sir?
I'm with you.
Hello?
I'm with you.
Okay, so in other words, if there is no confirmation of shift in market structure in lower time frame, then it's not going to work.
Because why are you buying if there is not? What's the model for the entry? You can still take a buy here, but your stop loss must be below this 1 hour order block. All right. Some of you may not have the strength to do that. So that's why we emphasize look for lower time frame confirmation. It helps you reduce the amount of pips per stop loss, and so that you can maximize your trades accordingly. Okay. Is that okay? Enoch, ask your question. Enoch, ask your
So
question.
we didn't hear
Like
you.
your network is bad.
I said that we prefer to use lower time frame confirmation so that you get to maximize good trades using smaller stop loss per pips.
Sir.
Okay. Enoch, ask your question. Ask your question. I'm with you, Enoch. Crazy.
I normally get call.
I'm not hearing you.
Okay. I said that I normally get confused anytime that
Anytime. Is this my network or their network?
I think it's network.
His network, right?
So can you hear me?
Your network
Yes,
is
it's
going.
Yeah,
network.
definitely his network.
But I
So,
can hear you
Mr.
people.
Bella, what he's trying to say is that anytime you check the DXY and the EU or GU, it's not colorate together, so he confused. Maybe to explain better.
It's because you don't understand, but we have been saying it here that the dollar is the main driver. If the dollar is not ready, you shouldn't even be looking for setup on other foreign currency. Did you notice
All
that
right.
to check EU and GU today?
Yeah, I normally I take trade on the Euro USD and I get stop out and on my small account of $10. So I just leave it
How can you
and I
make
say that let me ask
$10?
the question on the London session.
Is it $10 in cents? I mean $10.
Normal $10. It's not
No,
cents, $10.
that's not a good thing to do. Convert it to cents. $10, you'll be over risking now.
I took a trade on a Euro USD and I get stopped out. But anytime that I'm doing my analysis on DSY and I go to Euro USD, I normally get confused.
So the point is, like we said, if the dollar is not ready, you have no business looking for setups. And if you do, and you are confused, I don't expect you to get it all at once. I mean, take your time. You are learning by the day. If it doesn't work out, find out why the trade didn't work out. You get?
Okay, okay, sir. Sir, if we are going bearish on the DSY, okay, should we go bullish on the other currency that is correlated?
Yes, if DXY is bearish, foreign currencies are bullish. If DXY is bullish, foreign currencies are bearish.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Enoch, you have a question? Ask.
Yeah, I'm the one talking, sir.
Okay, next question, please.
Sir, can you check gold again? It seems it trade below your point of interest, the one you're referring to.
What are you seeing on the screen?
Gold has traded below what you were saying the point of interest.
What I'm saying is, what do you see right now? Share gold just traded into the reclaimed bullish order block now. Here, on the 1 hour. Isn't it?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
You are looking for confirmation. If the confirmation is not there, you let it go to the next point of interest. Because the mitigation block will be the next one, isn't it?
Yeah, the mitigation. The bullish mitigation will be the next one.
While it is within the reclaimed bullish order block, if it gives you a confirmatory on 5 minutes, especially on the 5 minutes, if it gives you shift of structure or something, then that will be a buy.
Hello,
Okay.
sir. Can you do a review on US oil, please?
Please, those of you who have any question regarding gold, DXY, ask me before I leave here. If I leave here, I'm not coming back to this. The major currencies and assets, you are supposed to be trading what we are trading. That's how mentorship works. If we are doing DXY and foreign currency, you are trading an asset that your mentors don't have an interest on. See that you don't have an advantage, right?
Okay.
Is there anybody that wants to ask any question regarding this, or we just move on?
Move on, sir. Move on. Thank you.
I want to ask a question, sir.
I have a question.
I'm with you.
My question is not an analysis. Just like a kind of seeking for if we can have a class that will talk about psychology, management, and other things.
Okay, no problem. I'll talk with Solomon. I think Solomon is the one who usually takes that class. So, and he has done that severally here. Are you sure that we don't have the videos on this group?
I have the videos.
You have the videos here?
Yes.
So why are you looking for more?
Okay, let me give you an instance of something that do happen sometimes. After, like yesterday, I was on London Key Zone. It was a success, but I could not get to the TP before I was taken out, just because I was watching it on the movement. So I think if we have a class on psychology or two guide on how to manage our running trades.
That's what I asked too. I asked if Solomon has not done a class like that here, and you mentioned that he has. Okay, so US oil. What do you want me to do with it, sir? I'm here.
I wanted to check lower time frames, like 4 hours and down to 15 minutes, 30 minutes. If
Basically, you can see that it's actually very bullish from the monthly, weekly, and daily. It's bullish,
yes,
isn't it? And on the daily right now, we can see that this guy is currently at a discount institutional reference point, traded into the discount breaker. This is a
yes,
breaker. Price took out the low here before the shift of structure. That is a breaker. This is a mitigation block. Okay.
okay,
This might be holding price action from getting to this discount area, especially when you see a 1 hour shift of market structure after trading into this. If there's a 1 hour shift of market structure bullish, then it's never going to get down below that guy. So you can see on the 1 hour price action is still trying to do something. Once we can find a shift of structure bullish on the
okay,
1 hour, preferably if it takes out these two highs, then when it returns in internal range, we can buy. Okay?
okay. All right.
This is what I'm looking at.
Thank you.
Welcome. And the drawn liquidity, of course, is right there. All
Perfect.
right. I think we've done so much today. It's just less than 1 minute remaining. So I wish you guys very good trading week. The month is already ending, and you guys should put in more work doing insight study, back testing, study the videos, create a trading plan, create a risk management and trading plan, develop the discipline